Good day, beautiful people. How are you all doing? Welcome to this video. I know the reason you are desperately surfing the internet right now and you are finding ways that you can fit back into your old clothes. Am I right or am I not right? So I know that weight loss is really hard, right? I've been there, done that. And also, it's just so easy to put on weight. I love to eat. I'm pretty sure you love to eat. So that's really easy to just gain a few pounds right there. So luckily today we do have Mitolyn, which is a dietary supplement that is amongst us, and it's been helping tens and thousands of men and women to finally achieve weight loss, guys. Finally. And we're talking about healthy weight loss. We're talking about the type of weight loss that really burns down your calories and your fats and makes them go away for good and never come back. So all it takes is just a tiny capsule a day, and Mitolyn can do so many changes for your bodies. And if you're intrigued by that, then you need to stay here for a few more minutes. Let me just tell you this before we move on. If you would like to purchase Mitolyn, little quick note, guys, don't just go to the first webpage you find on the internet, okay? You need to get the original Mitolyn in order to get great results, and that's why I placed their official webpage in the description box of this video. So it's there waiting for you to make the safest purchase of all at such a great price too, okay? Now, Mitolyn is here, and it has these 6 beneficial ingredients to it. And these ingredients, they go all the way from rhodiola rosea to maki berry, which has so many antioxidants in it. It has also chisandra, which is good for your skin and your liver. There is astaxanthin. There is also theobroma cacao and amla, this Indian fruit. It's also known as a Indian gooseberry fruit, something like that. Anywho, all of these ingredients help you to boost your mitochondria, which, did you know, this is the biggest thing to your body's putting on weight. Your mitochondria is something you find in your cells. So they help you to fuel your bodies, and they help you to melt down fats, stored fats. So you guessed it, if your mitochondria levels are really, really low, it's not doing anything. It's just storing fats in your bodies, and you are growing by the day. So the cool thing about Mitolyn is that all these ingredients target your mitochondria and help you to increase it. And then, by the day by day, you're losing weight. You're becoming healthier. You're seeing changes. You're becoming happier. I always tell people, being overweight, it does mess around with your self-esteem, liking it or not. It does make you question yourselves. It does make you look at yourselves in the mirror and compare yourselves to other people. So why do that when you can finally change the story around, and start loving yourselves again? So give Mitolyn a shot. You're not going to regret it. It does have a 90-day money-back guarantee in case you need a refund. So pop over to this tiny link right here to learn more about it, okay? I'm going to go do my nails now, which look horrible. And thank you for watching this video, guys. See you next time. Bye.